Here is the design for making disco sphere ball. First, create new canvas of random size by pressing Ctrl and A keys, and then Selection tool by pressing M key. Select Ellipse Selection and make round selection. Fill it with any foreground color. Then duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl, AJ keys and adjust the second round shape by Move tool by pressing V. Now, go to Edit menu and Define Pattern from Define Pattern option. Now create new canvas of any size you want by pressing Ctrl N keys. Then create Pattern Adjustment layer, then select Created Pattern from Pattern menu and adjust the pattern as your requirements. Now select Ellipse Selection by pressing M key and then go to Filter menu and select the Distort option, and in there select Sphere Eyes option and click OK. Now go to Layers option, duplicate the round selection by pressing Ctrl Edge A keys. Now unview the last layer and create a blank layer, fill it with black color by now duplicate the sphere selected layer, duplicate it, and select down sphere layer, and then go to Filer menu option, select the blur option, and in there select the radial blur and set the setting zoom and intensity to 100. And now repeat the effect about 5 times by pressing Ctrl L F keys. Here is the disco sphere ball design is ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting and informative videos.